Hi guys, I hope you're great. Um, I'm going to show you on how to develop a simple linear regression model. So we're having a data set that is going to determine the marks of a student. The first thing first, we're going to import pandas library as PD, and then we're going to run it. Then we're going to define the dataset, let's just call it df, and we're going to use pandas library to read our CSV file. So I'm going to copy the file path. I'm going to copy the file path from um, okay, here's the dataset. Okay, let's run it. Then from here we can read uh the first 5 rows of the dataset to see how the dataset looks like. We see we have total hours studied, total tutorials attended, classes missed, assignment missed, and the final mark here, right? So now from here we're going to name our x and the y variable. So our x variable is df. So the first one is total um hours studied, and we also have tutorials attended. Then we also have the classes missed. Then we also have the assignment missed. Those are our features. Then our vibe is going to be equals to our target variable, and our target variable is the marks, right? It's the marks. So we're going to run this. We're having an error. Okay, let's check. Assignment. Okay, it's assignment missed. Okay. Okay, now it's fine. So now we're going to train our data set. So we're going to import, we're going to say from sklearn, we're going on the model selection, we're going to import our train, test, and split, right? So we're going to have x train, x test, y train, and y test, which is equals to train um, test split. So now we're going to have our x and y, our y, and also the test size. Let's use 20% and 80%. So we're going to use 0.2 to test. Then our random state, uh, we're going to use 42, right? Let's run. Okay, model selection, right? Let's run. Okay, we also made a mistake here. Okay. Okay, let's just check the error. Where is the error from? sklearn.model delete selection import train test split x train x test y train y test is equals to uh train test split. Okay. uh Now it's fine. So now from here we can develop our model. So we're going to say from sklearn, then we're going to say our linear model import linear regression. Then from there we're going to name our model uh, R is equal to linear regression, linear regression, regression. um then we say model, our model R dot, we're going to feed our data here, which is x train and also y train. So now our model is fine. So we can now run this. Okay, linear. Made a mistake here. Linear model. Linear model selection. Linear model. Okay. Let's see. Okay, now we have our model. So now we're going to do our prediction. So we're going to say y predict is going to be from our model R, then we're going to feed it the x test. So this is going to test our data set. Okay, let's just check the error. We have y predict is equals to model underscore r dot feed x test. So the error is missing one required positional argument y. Okay. This is predict, not feed. Predict, right? Yes, this is predict, not feed. Yes, now it's fine. So now we can go and check. We have our predictions, we have our model. Then after now, we can do our metrics. So we're going to check or evaluate the model performance. So how do we check that? We're going to say from sklearn dot matrix. Then we're going to import so we have mean square error. We can import mean square error. We can also import r squared, r score, then r2 score, I think it's r squared score, and mean square error, and also yeah, we can just import these two. Then let's check mean square error is equals to let me just copy this and then paste it, copy and paste it here, copy and paste. So I'm gonna paste r squared is equals to shift v. Okay, r2 score, r2 score. So now we're going to compare. We are going to compare the y test and also the y predict, right? Same thing here, we're going to test the y test and also y predict, right? So now after here we can just see them. So we're going to say mean MSE is, then MSE, right? Then also print the r squared. Okay, so we're going to say r squared is we're going to say r2, right? Okay, let's just check if we didn't make any mistake. Okay, mean square error. So it is very important, guys, that you go through the documentation of sklearn, because in sklearn that's where you're going to learn a lot. You're going to learn on how to pre-process your data. You're going to learn on how to choose the linear models, the tree models, to assemble, and also the neighbors, the decomposition, the matrix, and also the pipelines. All of these things can be performed from the sklearn. This is just the basics of machine learning. We haven't really gotten into the deep learning. So make sure that you familiarize yourself with sklearn, scikit-learn library. So we have a problem. Okay, our error, we need to check the mean square. Okay, it's mean squared error. Okay, even here we need to change it to squared. Then let's see. Yeah, so our r squared is 0.74. Our mean square error is 59.92, right? It's not really bad, but then because we didn't do any of the pre-processing stage where we have to standardize our dataset, that's why we have 0.74. But if we were wanted to improve our r squared, the first thing for us was to do pre-processing, standardize the dataset so that we can improve our model. Cheers, thank you.